When did you start to contemplate an exit? Was it something you always had in mind, or was there an event that triggered it? What was that contemplation period?
No, I never ever saw myself selling it in the beginning, but we had a lot of approaches. You know, we had a reputation as the leading firm in our field, and regularly I was approached by larger companies wanting us to be part of their brand. And it got me thinking about it. Some people that I knew quite well sold their business and seemed very happy afterwards. And I think I was in a situation where I was pushing towards my late 50s and thinking about what the next step would be. And it was important to me that I did it in the right way for the team, and you know what I felt that the work we were doing is important. You know, it's good work making buildings and structures safer, and I wanted to ensure the long-term viability of the company, and it made sense to do that early. I wasn't planning necessarily to sell it and run off into sunset with a big bag of money. I was planning to stay around afterwards if I could, but I wanted to do it early when things were going really well, rather than leave it too late and be in a position where perhaps it wasn't the right thing. And I think also a time would come where the staff would begin to wonder, you know, if I was in my 60s and still going strong, they'd be saying, well, what's going to happen when he retires? So
Yeah.
I started to think about it early after being approached several times, and I did get into quite a serious discussion with one company that ultimately didn't go anywhere, and that made me decide that I needed to get some advice and look at it more seriously and see what the options were.